Vue.js is more than just another JavaScript framework. It's a powerful ecosystem designed to help you build efficient, interactive user interfaces with flexibility at every stage. Vue doesn't force you into one size fits all structure. It adapts, allowing you to decide how much you want to use. Want to enhance a static HTML? Go for it. No build setup required. Or maybe you are looking to add dynamic web component to an existing page. Vue does that too, embedding as web components with no fuss. And if you are ready to dive into the world of single page applications, Vue has the tools to manage everything as a complete web app, keeping you productive as your project scales. For more advanced needs, Vue covers server-side rendering and static site generation, letting you build fast, SEO-friendly pages optimized for the web. These features make Vue ideal not only for traditional websites, but for modern architectures like the Jamstack. You can even target platforms beyond the browser, building for desktop and mobile, all while retaining the core Vue simplicity. Vue is designed to be approachable, requiring only basic HTML and JavaScript knowledge to get started. We will introduce each of these techniques as we go along, so you can learn at your own pace and choose the best approach for your project. Vue has a defining feature called single file components. These .vue files allow you to organize everything a component needs in one place: templates, styles, and logic. Here is how it works. In this example, the script section is where we define the logic for our components. We import the ref function from Vue, which helps us create a reactive variable called count that starts at 0. Being reactive means that whenever count changes, Vue automatically updates the UI to reflect that change. Then we move to the template section, where we define the structure of our components. Here, we have a button that displays the current count, and the click directive listens for click events. Each time you click the button, the count increases by 1. And finally, in the styles section, we add styles specifically for this component. The scoped attribute ensures that these styles apply only to this component, so they won't affect other parts of your app. In our case, we make the button's text bold. With this structure, the script handles our logic. The template defines how it looks, and the style manages its appearance, all in a seamless flow that keeps everything organized. Don't worry if this seems a bit much right now. We will dive deeper into these concepts in future videos, ensuring you will understand how everything fits together. Vue makes it easy to keep your code organized and manageable as your app grows, and it handles the build tools for you. It's one of the main reasons why Vue feels so smooth and intuitive. When it comes to React and Angular, Vue strikes a balance between them. React is known for its lightweight nature and flexibility, and Angular for its built-in features. Vue brings the best of both worlds. It's light, intuitive, and flexible like React, but also provides out-of-the-box features similar to Angular, without the steep learning curve. Vue's flexibility allows you to pick the features you need for your project without forcing you into a complex structure. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned developer, the framework can grow with you. That's why it's called the progressive framework. As we dive deeper, you will see how just it's adaptable and powerful can be, giving you the freedom to build whatever you dream up. But remember, there is no magic here, just solid concepts. In our next lesson, we are going to break down these terms like single page applications, server-side rendering, and Jamstack. We will demystify what they are and how they fit into the Vue ecosystem. Because you know what? I don't believe in magic.